Jai Hind and a plain morning to all. I get PM Asra Khan of grade 90. Today, I stand before you to speak about what makes a true leader today. What comes to mind when you heard word leader? Is someone powerful, someone famous, maybe a CEO or a president or a captain. We often think leadership as a title or a position or a man who stands in front of a room. In today's world of full change, challenge and noise, what makes a true leader today? Let me tell you this first. Leadership is not about today's power, it's about purpose. True leaders listen first. The true leader isn't the one who talks the most, but the true leader is the one who listens the best. In today's fast-moving world, people don't want to hear what to do and what not to do. They wanted to be heard in everyone, and they also wanted to feel understood, whether it's a teacher, manager, or a teammate. A true leader gives space for others to talk, grow, and shine. As people say going, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. True leaders lead by an example. Leadership is not about telling others what to do and what not to do. It's about doing it first. Leaders shows upon a time. They admit their mistake done by them. They take feedback. They treat others with respect, not those who are in charge, but everyone equally. In simple terms, true leaders walk the talk. As John Maxwell said, leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. A true leader is a great learner. A true leader is the one who always tries to learn new things. Let us take an example of a person who has learned most of the things in the world, but it is not the maximum level. He always tries to learn new things, but there are so many things to learn. True leaders build, not break. In a world where we often feel divided, we need leaders who build bridges, not walls. True leaders bring people together. They use humanity, empathy, kindness instead of ego and fear. Vision with action. Think a true leader has a great vision, not for just himself, for his team, for his society, and for his city, and for his country. Vision alone is not enough. Taking action on vision is also important. Think of Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam, also known as Missile Man of India, who dreamed about a developed India and worked tirelessly to make his dream into reality and inspire future generations. In conclusion, so what makes a true leader today? Not fame but faith, not wealth but wisdom, not titles but trust. In a world of full followers, a true leader is a light in darkness. In a world of full voices, a true leader is a voice of truth. In last, I would like to say that it's not about making the world best. It is about making the world better because you are led. Let us all strive to become leaders in our own way. Thank you and Jai Hind.